Low self-esteem is something many people struggle with. It affects how you see yourself and how you face challenges in life. But the good news is, low self-esteem can be improved with simple steps. This video will help you understand low self-esteem and share ways to build confidence and feel better about yourself. First, what is low self-esteem? Low self-esteem means having a negative view of yourself. You might feel like you are not good enough, not smart, or not worthy of success and happiness. These feelings can make you avoid new opportunities or stop trying when things get hard. Recognizing low self-esteem is the first step. Some signs include constant self-criticism, fear of failure, difficulty accepting compliments, comparing yourself negatively to others, feeling undeserving of good things in life. If you notice these signs, don't worry. Many people face them, and you can work on improving your self-esteem. Here are some practical steps to deal with low self-esteem. Change negative self-talk. Pay attention to your inner voice. If it says things like "I can't do this" or "I'm not good enough," stop and replace those thoughts with positive ones. For example, say to yourself, "I am learning and improving," or "I am worthy of respect." Set small goals and celebrate wins. Start with small, achievable goals. When you complete them, celebrate your success. This builds confidence and shows you that you are capable. Practice self-care. Taking care of your body and mind improves how you feel. Get enough sleep, eat healthy food, exercise, and do activities that make you happy. Surround yourself with positive people. Spend time with people who support and encourage you. Avoid those who bring you down or make you feel bad about yourself. Learn to accept compliments. When someone compliments you, say thank you. Accepting positive feedback helps you see your worth. Focus on your strengths. Make a list of your good qualities and skills. Remind yourself of these often to balance out negative thoughts. Avoid comparing yourself to others. Everyone has a different path. Comparing yourself to others only lowers your confidence. Focus on your own progress. Remember, improving self-esteem is a journey. It takes time and effort, but every small step counts. Be patient and kind to yourself along the way. If low self-esteem feels very difficult to manage, talking to a counselor or therapist can help. They can give you tools and support to improve your self-confidence. In summary, low self-esteem is common but can be overcome. Change negative thoughts, set small goals, take care of yourself, surround yourself with positivity, accept compliments, and focus on your strengths. These steps will help you feel better and live a happier life. Thank you for watching. Start today by believing in yourself. You are worth it.